Let's work with algebraic equations. We're given x plus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 1 minus 5x. Right, now when you have an example like this and you don't have 0 on the left hand side or on the right hand side of the equation, you have to open everything up and see what you get once you do that. So x plus 2 into x minus 3, we can open that out using the FOIL method. When you do that, you're going to end up with x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6, and that's equal to the 1 minus 5x on the right hand side. Right, when you see x squared terms, x terms, and constants, you will be looking at generating a trinomial. So if you are looking at generating a trinomial, you're going to put your like terms together first and then take everything over onto one side and make it equal to 0. So here we have negative 3x plus 2x can be put together. That's going to give us negative x on this side here. So you'll end up with x squared minus x minus 6 is equal to 1 minus 5x. Bring everything over onto one side. So 1 will become negative 1, negative 5x will become positive 5x. So on the left hand side, you'll have x squared minus x plus 5x minus 6 minus 1 is equal to 0. Put your like terms together and you'll end up with your trinomial of x squared or 1x squared plus 4x minus 7 is equal to 0. Your a term is in front of x squared, which is 1. Your b term is in front of x, which is 4. And your c term is your constant, which is negative 7. Getting our a, b, and c values here because we are going to have to use the quadratic formula, because this is not going to factorize using the cross method. So substitute your a, b, and c values into the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So that x will equal to negative b is 4 plus b squared is 4 squared minus 4 times a is 1 and c is negative 7 all over 2 times a, which is 1. Or you can replace the plus there with the minus here on your calculator and you'll get two different answers here, one for the plus there, one for the minus. So x is equal to 1,32 or x is equal to negative 5,32. Those are your two answers there. Let's look at a different equation. 3 times 2 to the power x is equal to 48. Now when you see exponents here, what you're going to try to do is convert both sides of the equation into exponential form. So firstly, this 3, coefficient of 3 there, you can divide both sides by 3. So you'll be left with 2 to the power x on the left is equal to 48 divided by 3 on the right. 48 over 3 is 16. So 2 to the x is equal to 16. 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 4. Cancel off your 2's, your base 2's, because they are the same. So you'll end up with your answer of x is equal to 4.